Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the syllabus of computer networks. So if you are preparing for UGC NET, GATE examination or any kind of university exams, then these topics are very helpful and important for your examination. So moving forward, we will discuss about OSI model because OSI model covers almost all the topics of computer networks. So the first layer is physical layer. In this layer, the topics are cables. In cables they will ask that what is cables and types of cables, then topology, then transmission modes, encoding, LAN, devices. In devices they can ask like about hardware devices and all, then modulation. These are the topics of physical layer. Then second layer is data link layer. Data link layer contains some protocols. If you are preparing for gate examination, then you should learn in detail, like all the protocols you should learn in detail. Okay, the first is stop and wait, then go back and selective repeat. These are the protocols. And then mac protocols. In mac protocols we will cover about slotted aloha, pure aloha. These are the protocols, and you should prepare accordingly. Then switching is important, error control is important. And then a topic for UGC NET exam, like ethernet to frame format. This topic is very important for UGC NET examination. Then moving forward to the network layer. In network layer, topics like ip addressing is very important topic. And then routing protocols, IPv4 header, IPv6 header. In these headers, IPv4 and IPv6, you should learn about like all the fields. You should keep in mind that the fields are very important in IPv4 and IPv6. Then moving forward to transport layer. In transport layer they will ask about TCP, UDP and headers, like we talked about IPv4 header, IPv6 header, and many more headers in transport layer too. Okay, so moving forward to session layer, presentation layer and application layer. These three layers are very simple, but in examination they will ask about DNS, HTTP, SMTP, FTP and many more. Like these three layers contains all these protocols, and they will ask about port number of these, functionalities, workings and all about these protocols. Okay, so these three layers are simple, but they will ask about that DNS, HTTP, SMTP, FTP and all. Okay, the last we are moving forward to network security. Network security is very important topic in computer networks, and they will ask about network security too. So all these topics are very important according to your examination, and I have clarified that which topic is important in gate and UGC. So prepare accordingly, and that's it for this video, and we will meet in next video, and bye bye.